Hello everyone. Today we solve this problem if p of x equals x to the cube minus 3x plus 1. Okay, find s equals the fourth root p of 3 minus p of 2 plus p of 1 divided by p of 2 minus p of 1 minus p of minus 2 plus 1. Okay, solution. Replacing in the polynomial expression, uh, p of 3, substitute 3 to the cube. 3 to the cube minus 3 times 3 plus 1 equal to 3 to the cube, 27, minus 3 times 3 minus 9 plus 1 equal to 27 minus 9, 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Okay, then p of 3 equal to 19. Next, p of 2 equal to, replacing 2 to the cube minus 3 times 2 plus 1 equal to 2 to the cube is 8 minus 3 times 2 minus 6 plus 1 equal to, uh 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 1, 3. Then p of 2 equal to 3. Okay. Uh, p of 1, replacing polynomial expression. Uh, 1 to the cube minus 3 times 1 plus 1 equal to 1 to the cube, 1 minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Then p of 1 equal to minus 1. Okay. Uh, p of 2 is 3. P of 1 is minus 1. Ah, okay. P minus 2. P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 to the cube minus 2 to the cube, minus 3 times minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 2 to the cube minus 8, plus 6 plus 1 equal to minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Then p of minus 2 equal to minus 1. Okay. uh, replacing is equal to uh, P of 3. P of 3 is 19. 19 minus P of 2 minus 3 uh, plus P of 1 is minus 1 divided by uh, P of 2 is 3 minus P of 1 minus 1 minus P of minus 2 is minus 1 plus 1. Okay, is equal to uh, is equals the fourth root 19 minus 3 16. 16 minus 1 15 over 3. Okay, 3 uh, plus 1 minus times minus 1 plus what? 3 plus 2 5 over 5 plus 1 equal to the fourth root 15 over 5 3 plus 1 equal to uh, the fourth root 3 plus 1 4. Okay, then is equal to 4 is the square. Simplify. Then 4 is equal to square root. Do okay. Uh, that is all. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.